Language focus. Making requests. We make requests with would you or could you dash question mark. We respond with sure or of course. If we say no to a request, it is polite to give a reason. Drag and match. Fill in the blanks from the box below. Pair word. Make requests and respond to them. Example A. Could you lend me your book? B. Sure or sorry, I can't. It's at home. 1. You want someone to open the door. 2. You want someone to close the window. 3. You want someone to answer a question. 4. You want someone to tell you a story. 5. You want someone to give you their phone number. Rearrange the text from the box below to make an appropriate sentence. Look, listen, and say. Tha, 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 tha as in tree. Number 3 is above the tree. Think, think, think. 3 and 33. Do activity J from your textbook. Click on the pictures to hear the sound. Tree, thin, thick, thread, thermometer.